Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass login password in Windows 10 or 11. You can learn 2 easy ways here. Way 1. Bypass Windows 10 login password with reset disk. If you want to unlock the Windows 10 computer in this way, you need to have the password reset disk, which is made when you set the login password. Let's go now. Type any password in the box and press enter key. You see, the password is incorrect. Try again. Hit on the OK button. Then click Reset Password option. Oh, you need to inject the password reset disk. Plug the password reset disk into the computer and try again. Well, the password reset wizard comes. You just need to follow the steps to reset the Windows 10 login password. Alright, now you can enter the new password to log in your Windows PC. Way 2. Bypass Windows 10 password with password removal tool. You need to have an accessible computer, then navigate to isunshare.com on the browser. Get Windows 10 Password Genius. Download and install it on your computer. Launch the software. Choose the media type. USB device is chosen here. Then insert the removal device into the computer. Click Begin Burning button. Click Yes to go ahead. See, burned successfully. And you can reject the USB drive and insert it into the locked Windows 10 computer. Start the computer and press the boot key to enter boot menu. Select the USB to boot. Well, you are in the software reset password interface. Your Windows 10 system is selected by default. Then choose your account. Click Reset Password button and then the Yes button to set the password to blank. OK, the password is removed. Click Reboot to restart the computer and eject the USB drive. Wow, you can bypass login password to sign in your Windows 10 now. That's all for the video.